Hello, my friend, and welcome back. If you're over 55 and you've noticed that your legs feel weaker, your arms tire faster, or getting up from a chair feels harder than it used to, you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not helpless. Today, I want to share something very simple, something you can do tonight before bed that may help your body protect and rebuild muscle while you sleep. And I'll also tell you about a few very common foods that quietly damage aging bodies and what to eat instead, so your meals work for you, not against you. Let's talk calmly, clearly, and honestly, just like family should. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle. Doctors call this sarcopenia, but you don't need a big word to understand the problem. What it means is muscles rebuild slower, we absorb protein less efficiently, and if we sit more and move less, muscles shrink even faster. After age 60, many adults lose 1 to 2% of muscle every year if they don't take action. That may sound small, but over time it leads to weak legs, poor balance, higher risk of falls, and loss of independence. But here's the hopeful part. Your body can still build muscle, even in your 70s and 80s, if it gets the right signals and the right fuel. And one of the most powerful times to support muscle repair is while you're sleeping. When you sleep, your body switches into repair mode. This is when it fixes tiny muscle tears, rebuilds tissues, and balances important hormones. But here's the problem many seniors face. They eat dinner at 6 or 7 p.m., then they don't eat anything until breakfast. That's 10 to 12 hours without protein. So while your body wants to repair muscle, it may not have enough building material to do the job well. This is why researchers have found that a small amount of protein before bed can support overnight muscle repair, especially in older adults. Not a big meal, not heavy food, just a small, gentle, slow-digesting source of protein. And this is where the 1 spoon before bed comes in. So what is this simple bedtime habit? For many seniors, a very helpful option is 1 spoon of cottage cheese or 1 spoon of thick Greek yogurt. These foods contain a type of protein called casein. Casein digests slowly, which means it releases amino acids into your blood all through the night, exactly when your muscles are repairing. Think of it like this. Instead of your muscles running out of building blocks at midnight, they get a steady supply until morning. Studies in older adults have shown that protein before sleep can support muscle protein building, support strength over time, and help prevent further muscle loss. And the best part is, this is not medicine. It's just food, gentle, simple, and affordable. Now, if you don't tolerate dairy well, another gentle option can be 1 spoon of natural peanut butter. It doesn't work exactly the same way as casein, but it still provides some protein, healthy fats, and steady energy overnight. Important note, my friend, if you have kidney disease, uncontrolled diabetes, or digestive problems, always talk to your doctor before adding nighttime snacks. Your health always comes first. But for many seniors, this tiny habit can quietly support stronger muscles over time, especially combined with light daily movement. Now here's the part most people don't talk about. Even if you add good foods, some very common everyday foods can slowly damage muscles, joints, blood vessels, and even your sleep. And many seniors eat these foods without realizing the harm they cause. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you which foods increase inflammation and muscle loss, which drinks quietly weaken circulation and the heart, and simple swaps that protect your body instead of stressing it. These changes are not about strict diets. They're about small, smart choices that add up over time. Because aging well is not about perfection. It's about giving your body a fair chance to stay strong. So stay with me, because what I'm about to share next can make a bigger difference than most supplements ever could.